you see, won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let him check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Pop it, twerk it, stop it, check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you looking like you like I see. Come over.
What's going on? What y'all got going on today? I'm gonna be braiding my hair. I'm gonna do something different because I'm tired of these wigs in the summertime, baby. Okay, and I want to touch my scalp because I be sweating in the gym and my wig be done sweat it off. For today, y'all gonna need a parting comb and Gorilla Snot. I know a lot of people use hair wax, but I don't like using hair wax just because it's hard for me to wash out. I don't like that. Let me show y'all the hair. So I got 2 packs of 80-inch hair. 80 inches, baby, okay? And I'm 5'10", so these braids gonna be long. Ooh. I just got it black because I've been wearing colored hair for a little minute, and I just want to do black, you know? I think it'll look cuter anyways. Let's get started. I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, bye. I'm gonna start by doing the back first. I'm gonna put my hair up. So let's turn around so y'all can see the back. Y'all need a big mirror and another big mirror so I can see the back and it's all even. Because you can't just be free balling this, because when you put your hair up and it's all on you, that ain't cute. No.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel the light? Look in my eyes. Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger she don't need to know. What's going on, it won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. You leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song.
So you just want to take some small pieces like so and spread them out evenly. See, we doing this a little ghetto because I don't have the little boards to put up all the pieces of hair, but it's okay because it's gonna turn out the same way. Y'all don't know that. Y'all would know that if I didn't just say it. So I like to go over like so. And instead of folding it evenly in half, you want to leave one side shorter and one side longer, just so you don't have to keep adding hair and it'll still be long. So remember, one side longer, one side shorter.
Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one to see my type.
Y'all, okay, y'all. So I'm like 4 rows in. 4 rows in before I started recording. Let me show y'all. I just parted my hair. This is how it's looking so far. Let me show y'all. It's really long. Alright, let's keep it going.
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on J for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you could ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
So I don't braid all the way down because my spirit is not feeling that.
Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
I know y'all see the sunlight in the back. I know y'all see, y'all wanna know why y'all see the sunlight? Because I've been up braiding all night. I started at like 11. It's 8 a.m. It's 8. Why did I do this? This was the dumbest shit I ever did in my life. Why did I do this to myself? Why did I do this to myself? Look, I'm just now getting to the front. It's 8 a.m. and I'm just now getting to the front, child. I'm done. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep and I'm gonna finish the rest when I wake up. I'm done, child. I'm done. I'm so done. I've been braiding all night. And I'm done. So I'm gonna see y'all when I wake up. Well, as y'all can see, I'm almost done. And my level of euphoria right now is on 10. It's on 10, but I have 4 more left. Look. After hours and hours. I'm almost done. Shit. Like I said previously, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really do. You know why? Because you're not getting it again. I'm never doing this again. Okay? I'm happy now because I'm almost done. It only took me 1,000 years and 2 days of hunger. But nevertheless, we're almost done. Yay. So right now I'm just separating the hair so I can finish my last couple of braids. If y'all see the way I got this hair distributed on this mirror, it's very ghetto, but listen, as long as we get the job done. I'm just so proud of myself, guys. Look. I'm done. So right now I'm just cutting off the flyaways. This part is really tedious, but I recommend you not skipping it just because the braids will come out looking better. Hey y'all, so I'm done cutting off the flyaways. Everything is perfect. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna take some dew growth and oil my scalp before I dip my braid. I'm gonna just go in each row. Oh, that feels so good. And just put the oil onto my scalp. Ooh. I could just feel it running all through my scalp. Okay, I'm gonna put some of my hands on the braids. Okay. Now I'm gonna dip the braids. I'll be right back. This is the end of the video, guys. My camera died, so I wasn't able to record an outro or me dipping the hair, but this is what it ended up looking like. I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. Later.
What you see, won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let him check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Pop it, twerk it, stop it, check.